Welcome to a floating market in Thailand. Vendors travel up and down the river, selling items like lemongrass, ginger, papaya, shallots, basil, eggplant, and young coconuts. How do vendors know how much to bring to market? How do they price their goods? Vendors base their prices and production of each product based on the amount of consumers they regularly receive, the amount of the specific product that is available on the market, and the price that is being offered by competing vendors for that specific product. This is known as the economic concept of supply and demand. The market is in equilibrium when the supply of a product equals the demand for a product. Our intersection is called the price point. When the price point intersects at a point leaving the two sides unequal, we are experiencing either a shortage or a surplus of a product. This morning, as vendors begin selling their goods, consumers will notice a difference in their choices. Thailand has been wetter and cooler than usual this season, and the change in weather has affected the amount of both coconuts and papayas being harvested by vendors. While coconut palms have produced larger fruit in larger quantities, the papaya crop has all but withered under the stress of the climate. Meanwhile, the amount of Thai purple basil available at the market has remained the same as is regularly expected. The shortage of papaya this season shifts the price point for papayas, causing an increase in price because the supply of papaya is less than the consumer demand. Therefore, vendors can charge a higher price, reducing the demand and thereby eventually shifting the market back into equilibrium. In contrast, vendors have too many coconuts to sell. They must lower their prices to entice customers to buy more coconuts. The price point shifts, giving consumers a lower offered price and increasing demand for the coconuts. This change shifts the market back into an eventual equilibrium. The supply of basil at the market has not changed. However, this year, 3 holidays will fall very close together, and the demand for basil at this week's market is high. The greater demand means there will be a shortage of supply for customers, causing an increase in price to bring the market back to equilibrium. We know that the U.S. housing market is not currently in equilibrium. The supply of available homes is greater than the demand. This shift creates a buyer's market for the consumer. Eventually, as more consumers buy homes and less homes are available, the market will fall back into equilibrium.